Setting up camp, going out to the beach, hauling out our paddleboards, it's always difficult to lug everything out by hand. It's awkward, bulky, and it's always more trips than you want it to be.
But this all-terrain wagon from Overmont has completely changed our hauling game. My name is Thomas, this is Victoria, and this is another Rig Ready review where we review products that could make your RV or camping life a little bit easier.
When you live in an RV full-time like we do, space and portability definitely matter, which is why we were super excited to try out this 200-liter all-terrain wagon that we were sent by Overmont to review. And this thing folds down smaller than our camping chairs.
And if you've seen one of our previous Rig Ready reviews, you know that space is my #1 priority.
It can handle almost any terrain and hold up to 330 pounds. This thing carries its weight, literally.
I don't know how much weight we have put in this thing already, but I know it's a lot, and it's definitely already saved at least my back since I do most of the heavy lifting.
We've already had quite a few opportunities to test this out in the last few weeks, so let's go check it out.
Look how little it breaks down to.
So small.
That's incredible.
This is the Overmont Ultra Compact Folding Wagon. It's compact when stored, but it opens up in seconds to haul just about anything. To set it up initially, you're going to have to insert the all-terrain wheels. Then you undo the Velcro strap, open up the wagon, and insert the sturdy bottom, which allows this thing to hold up to a full 330 pounds. The fabric is 600D Oxford cloth, which means it's durable and water resistant. Nice. The wagon has a sturdy steel frame, wheels that can handle pretty much anything, also a lock function, and even side pockets for cups or whatever you want to toss in there. All in all, the wagon is quite sturdy, which is perfect for us because we are not gentle with things.
I just love how compact it is. Look at this. My little...
Oh, it's your buddy. The wagon sure does look pretty, but we loaded it up with all of our lake and paddleboarding stuff to really put it to the test.
Well, isn't that convenient? Yeah.
We were also curious how the lock function would work with all of our stuff in it on a steep hill. And you let go? Look at that!
Kind of impressive.
On a really full and a steep hill. It's not bad.
Probably should have done this the other way around, but you know.
The wheels handled the uneven terrain like a champ, saving us a ton of effort and definitely saving Thomas's back.
And now that we've tested this thing out in the wild for the last couple of weeks, let's talk about some pros and cons. And I'm pretty sure y'all know at least where I'm gonna start with this. Super lightweight, which we love for RV life, and the fact that it breaks down into the small little compact unit that fits right into the back of my truck.
Also, I feel like it holds a lot for how small it is. It's pretty sturdy.
And while I may not be carrying everything by hand around anymore, I still am actually lugging this thing around. So it's nice that the all-terrain wheels actually work.
And the setup and breakdown is super easy. It takes only a few seconds. When it's time to pack up, you just fold up the wagon, cinch the strap, slip on the protective cover, and retract the handle. Now it's compact and ready to stash until your next adventure. I honestly can't think of a ton of cons for this thing, but I will say there are some wagons out there on the market that do have larger load capacities, but for the space that this actually breaks down into, I would say that the trade-off is worth it.
And while we haven't run into this particular terrain yet, we have read that if you have a heavier load, it might be a little tougher to pull in sand, so I guess we'll find out the next time we go to the beach.
If you're short on space, but you're in need of a solid wagon for camping, festivals, a day at the beach, this is a solid pick.
Honestly, at this price point, it's hard to beat how much it carries and how little it breaks down to.
If you're short on space but big on hauling, this thing hits a sweet spot.
So if this thing turned you on as much as it turned me on, we will definitely leave a link in the description below for you to check out for yourself. And if you're looking for some more gear that might make your RV life a little bit easier, make sure to check out some of our previous Rig Ready reviews, and we've got some more California adventures coming your way. So until next time, y'all keep on exploring, stay lost.
Bye.